The IMF has raised its 2023 global growth forecast from a previous estimate of 2.7% up to 2.9% in October. Still remains below the 3.4% recorded last year, though. It revised its expectations after observing what it says was a surprisingly resilient demand in the United States and Europe, an easing of energy costs, and the reopening of the Chinese economy. For 2024, the IMF said global growth would accelerate slightly further to 3.1%. That's lower than the 3.2% October forecast. Different regions, the US growth of 1.4%, up from 1% predicted last October, following 2% growth last year. Also upwardly revised, Eurozone GDP growth is now forecast at 0.7% for 2023 versus a previous estimate of 0.5% and following 3.5% growth last year. UK is the only major advanced economy the IMF predicts to be in recession this year, with a 0.6% fall in GDP. It's interesting, actually, that's the biggest swing as well into negative. As for China and India, the IMF says that they could well contribute to 50% of global growth in 2023. Just a quick update on where we are in terms of the currency markets. As we see this announced, we've got a little doji candle here on the euro-dollar trade. Is this indicating that we've got further upside to go as we see this trend still in place? I think what it's telling us is the fact that the Fed meeting today and tomorrow, 25 basis points expected, the European Central Bank and the Bank of England meeting on Wednesday and Thursday with 50 basis points apiece on the upside. I think it's just a question now of waiting until we hear further from what they've got to say in terms of the expectations about their outlook for growth to determine just where these currency markets go from here. For more videos from us here at IGTV, join us on Twitter at IGCom, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.